What's going on, everybody? Mike here again with another reset. Today we're going to do a BLU G75. Newer phone, pretty cool. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that on the phone you forgot what it is, you got to do a hard reset. This is how you do it. Just a heads up, as always, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the information off the phone. So if you have anything important on the phone, it's going to get deleted. Just want to give you that heads up, so keep that in mind when you're doing this. But first thing we have to do is turn the phone off. So we'll hit the power button and hit power and volume up at the same time. Get the power off screen to come off and turn it off. This one's cracked, but it's still good for what we want to do over here real quick to show you guys, do a quick reset on it. So what you want to do is you have your volume buttons right here, volume up, volume down, and then your power key. You want to hold volume up and the power button at the same time. So I'm going to hold volume down or volume up first and then hit the power button. Try to see if I can get this on here for you guys to see how to do it. And you can see it brought it right up. You have your recovery mode and you have your normal mode, and you use the volume buttons to scroll and hit enter. So volume up is your scroll, and then volume down is select, enter. So we'll hit volume down on recovery. And then it brings you to your recovery menu, and you want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Your volume buttons will help you navigate, and then the power button now is to the enter button. So we'll hit that, we'll confirm, and then we'll do a factory data reset. And you can hit enter again to reboot. And that's how you do a hard reset on a BLU G75. Pretty cool looking camera. I haven't really tested this one out yet. Be a different video for that. But if you guys found this helpful, if you can like, share, subscribe, appreciate it. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.